Parts of the 4 states continue to record increases in COVID-19 cases. This is KOAM News at 6. Joplin currently has 332 active COVID-19 cases, according to the Joplin Health Department. Freeman Hospital currently has 43 COVID patients. Mercy has 47, their highest recorded. With the increase in cases, we wanted to see where the city stands on a possible mask mandate. KOAM's Caitlin Shive spoke with officials and residents of Joplin on their thoughts.
The Joplin Health Department says that COVID cases are on the rise in the area due to community spread, which could lead to a possible mask mandate. So we spoke with a couple Joplin residents to find out what they are seeing around the community when it comes to people wearing masks. COVID cases continue to rise as the community continues to live their lives.
As far as the possible cause on the increase, I've looked at the numbers. There's really not one specific thing you can point to.
For Joplin resident Jack Corder, he says he sees a majority of people not wearing masks around town.
Well, I see people wearing masks, but I'd say the majority not really. And that's the way it's been ever since they've had this thing. You see some people wearing a mask. Now, I got the mask sometimes when I say, so I'll wear the mask to go in. And sometimes I'll forget to do that.
But for Grant Testerman, he has seen the opposite.
I do see a lot of people wearing masks. There are a few, of course, that don't want to wear them, but most of the time, a lot of people do, especially supermarkets, bars, restaurants. It's good to see that.
We decided to take a look for ourselves inside the Joplin Public Library and Home Depot, where we found that nearly 70% of people in Home Depot at the time were wearing masks, and more than 70% of those in the library. The increase in cases poses the question of whether the city will impose another mask mandate.
Could the city take up the mask mandate conversation? The answer to that is yes. City Council's been pretty clear on where we are right now. We've shown our willingness and our ability to have that conversation and enter into an ordinance.
Mayor Stanley says they would, however, like to make that decision as a region.
Let's just have the conversation, and then we can all act independently from there. I certainly don't want to feel beholden to a group if I don't agree with the outcome of that. But I think that the first step is just to engage in the conversation. This is the situation. Where are we today? And now how do we want to move forward, or how could we move forward?
Mayor Stanley added that he would like to see more regional support on what to do with the rise in COVID cases. Reporting in Joplin, Caitlin Shive, KOAM News.